Brody? Again? How do these videos keep starting without Brody? How can it be Brody's Playhouse without Brody? What is that? What is that?
Me!
Oh, there you are. I was wondering where you were.
Today's video is about sound waves.
Sound waves.
Sound waves.
Sound waves.
Sound
Sound
waves.
waves. Sound waves. Sound waves. Okay, anyway.
Anyway,
Before we get started, this video
is sponsored by
Sapsopery. Now, you know normally I have a very thick beard and big mustache going on. Don't worry, it'll be back soon, just taking a little break. However, when I have my beard grown out and mustache, the way I keep it super fit is with Sapsopery Mustache Wax. This mustache wax is great to just roll through your fingers, break apart, what they call emulsify, and work it through your mustache. It's a flexible hold so you can shape it and leave it styled all day. Then if you have short hair like Brody or I, you can take a little bit of this in your palm and get just enough hold to keep your hair looking good all day. Again, if you want to find out more about Sapsopery and all the amazing products, check them out at sapsopery.com.
on Safari. It's a digital store.
All right. So,
I have one more thing to say.
what's that?
Dad is creating his own YouTube channel.
Yep, you'll be able to see the Mustang that Brody and I are restoring very soon on our channel, and look for more amazing content, automotive related, style, fashion, everything about men. Check it out. It's called Art of Wrench.
Hearts of Wrench, actually.
Well, Brody misunderstood me. It will be Art of Wrench, but this logo, Heart of Wrench, is just too adorable. So we're going to have to feature this somewhere in the shop. All right? All right, thanks, y'all. And without further ado,
I will remove this.
so tell us all about what's back there. It may be kind of hard for everybody to see at home.
So what I have here is
Nobody saw, nobody saw, nobody saw. Can't reveal the secret yet.
So what I have here is all four of our YouTube channels. Brody's Playhouse, Brody's Playhouse 2, Brody's Playhouse World, and Hearts of Wrench.
All right. We're going to be pretty busy bringing you awesome content that's fun for the family, fun for Dad, and fun for everyone.
science.
That's right. All right. We ready to kick this bad boy off? We got some fun for you today.
We do. I'm Brody.
I'm Dad.
And this is Brody's Playhouse. Brody's Playhouse. So what I have in the background here is one of the three remaining characters of Brody's Playhouse World.
But it's not time to unveil it yet,
And
right?
he will be introduced in the next two videos.
Awesome. Next two. So, you know what that means.
He will be
Subscribe! So you can catch all the
And
cool
like.
content. Of course, if you like this video, like it too.
So what I mean by that is we're gonna make two more videos before he is revealed.
Gotcha. All right, are we ready to show them what we're doing today?
Yep.
So tell them
today-
a little bit about sound waves and what we're going to be
So-
demonstrating.
This is a drawing of sound waves.
Hold it a little closer so they can see it real
As you
good.
can see from the beginning
Alright.
of the video, and that's Heart of Wrench again.
Yep.
And we are going to make a model of sound waves that use, and today we are going to show you how to make your own model of sound
Using
waves
some tasty
using
ingredients.
some tasty ingredients, like he said.
That's not tasty.
That is not tasty.
That's not tasty.
This is tasty though.
We have a
Water.
fresh glass of water here that is great for sipping. Are we ready for the special ingredient?
Yes.
Gummy Bears! You might be wondering, how in the world are we going to demonstrate sound waves with tape, barbecue skewers, gummy bears,
and a glass of water?
Agua? Just watch. All right, Brody, what do we do first?
So, first...
Move Dolly out of the way.
Yeah, I'm moving Dolly. Whoa!
What do we do first? I know what we do first. Quality control.
Quality... Wait, hang on.
He's got to find his favorite color. Lucky me, I got my favorite color first try.
Quality control.
Quality control.
So
Quality check. All right, so what do we do first?
So what we're going to do is we're actually going to make a mini model.
Okay.
You can make yours as big as you want.
All right.
So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to lay out a piece of tape.
We don't make the skewers first?
Nope. So first I'm going to lay out a piece of tape.
Yep. And we would tape this to, we're going to demonstrate with a full-size model of our own later. But just for the purpose of this, we're going to show you how to make one.
Yeah,
so
but
just
this
lay it
is
on the
just
table,
a miniature model.
and I'll hold it.
No, I got some of the tape.
Oh, fold it underneath?
Mm-hmm.
That's smart. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Let me move this closer.
Oh,
to
yeah,
you
so
guys at
everybody
home.
can see. Yeah.
Then we need to prepare our barbecue skewers. So we're going to do about 4.
You don't need coffee for this experiment, but I need coffee to keep going, so bear with us.
We woke up early today at about 8 o'clock in the morning.
On a Sunday. All right. So what are we going to
The
do?
day before school starts back up again.
We don't have to worry about that right now because we're filming an awesome video. So we have a barbecue skewer, but what? I think you're forgetting something.
Yep. The gummy bears.
Oh, yeah. Do you need this?
Yes, I do. To dip the barbecue skewers in.
Don't do like me and dip the gummy bear in the water.
He did that.
Womp, womp, womp. We need a sound effect machine, don't you think?
Yes. The ear sounds aren't just good enough.
All right, while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and dip another stick and get it ready.
Okay, I got one. Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Hang on.
What'd you do that for? Now we have a headless gummy bear.
Good.
That's not going to mess up our sound wave?
No.
Oh, well, we are just doing a mini model anyway right now, huh?
Yeah.
Try not to eat your gummy bears.
Like this guy.
He's not even going to be able to hear his instructions now. There you go. We got to make sure we're doing quality control every now and then, right?
Right.
So why do we dip the sticks in the water, I wonder?
So the gummy bears will go on the barbecue skewers easily.
Oh, okay. All right.
More
so
easily.
hand me the gummy bears. We'll get them out of the way. One more quality control check for both of us. Oh, you took my green, huh? Cheers. Pineapple.
Yum.
Okay, we're done with
Wine.
the skewers.
I'm done with the skewers.
All right, what about our tape? Are we done with that? No, we're not,
No.
are we? All right. Water?
Yes.
All right, we'll move that over. So what do we do now?
Now, I need to place gummy bears onto the barbecue skewer.
Did you find the balance point in the middle?
Yes.
That's important, right? So
Yes.
let me demonstrate at home for a moment. So we have the barbecue skewer with gummy bears on each end. What you're going to want to do is take the stick and try to find just about middle balance, okay? You're going to just pinch it, and you're going to, it doesn't have to be exact, but you're going to take that middle balance and try to put that in the middle of your tape. And then you'll align the rest of the skewers similar to that first, okay? Now what?
Now we apply a second layer of tape.
On the top?
On the top.
Okay.
I don't get all of them.
It's okay. They get the idea. So you're going to run a piece of tape all the way across all of your skewers. And you can go as far as you want.
Or as small as you want.
That's right. It'll ultimately depend on how many gummy bears you eat. I think we ate a bunch.
Yeah, we had to go through 2 bags. 2 bags!
Oh, 2 bags. Ugh. That's a lot.
Yeah,
All
we
right.
had to go through 2 bags of gummy bears to
So,
make the larger model.
Here, you have a mini model of our sound wave.
Yeah, but how do we show them how it works?
We're going to show them with our full-size model. So this is a mini model.
Mm-hmm.
And then go ahead and grab our full-size model for everybody, Brody.
Okay.
And we'll show the difference.
Don't shout or scream, because this is actually really big. Grab the other end.
Yep.
I said the other end!
So, we worked on this a day or so ago and made a full-size Soundwave model similar to the mini model we just showed you. So here in just a second, we're going to show you how this puppy really works. Okay?
Okay, guys. We got the big one set up.
You can see our full-length model set up here, and we've displayed it kind of neat from the camera angle coming down, so you're going to get to see a Soundwave real-life demonstration. This is long, so what you're going to notice is how the sound wave travels. What would happen if we made it short like this? Brody helped himself to some gummy bears and they stuck. What would happen if we did a short sound wave like this?
It wouldn't be that long.
That's right. It would be a quick, fast wave, right? So can you lean up there and go ahead and show everybody at home what happens?
Well, actually, we have Mom in here. So
Oh, cameraman Mom, go for it. A little bit harder. Try the one below it. So you can see when Mom hits it, there we go. Watch how it travels all the way down. Again, and it travels in unison all the way down. And then it starts its way back up, but we don't have the tape pulled very tight. I'm going to grab it and pull it a little tighter. Go for it, Mom. Let it work its way back up. There you see it. Go again. And back up. Pretty interesting. So that is the start of sound traveling all the way down, hitting my hand and coming all the way back up, right?
To the camera.
Anything extra you want to add about how sound travels or sound waves?
No.
No? So what's the best part about a science project like this?
We eat the gummy bears!
Yes. Oh yeah, even Mom, cameraman Mom's excited about that. Science is delicious. All right, that's it for today's show. Till next time, let's hear the song.